Hey there, future millionaires. Ever heard of companies sharing their profits with you? That's right. It's not a fantasy, it's dividends. Dividends are like getting a bonus just for owning a piece of a company. Think of it as your cut of the pie. The company makes money, and you, being the awesome shareholder, get a slice. Sweet deal, right? Now, not all companies pay dividends. Some prefer to reinvest all their profits back into the business. But the ones that do, they're like the cool kids in school, sharing their goodies. So how do you get in on this action? Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. All right, let's talk numbers. Dividend yield is your secret weapon. It's like a treasure map, guiding you to the best dividend stocks. It tells you how much cash a company pays out relative to its stock price. Think of it like this. You buy a $100 stock that pays a $4 annual dividend. That's a 4% yield. $4 divided by $100 equals 0.04 or 4%. See? Simple math. The higher the yield, the more bang for your buck. But remember, higher yields can sometimes be risky. Always do your research before jumping in. Now the payout ratio. This little gem tells you what portion of a company's earnings is paid out as dividends. It's like a sneak peek into their financial strategy. Let's say a company earns $10 per share and pays out $5 in dividends. That's a 50% payout ratio. $5 divided by $10 equals 0.5 or 50%. Easy peasy. A low payout ratio can mean the company is reinvesting heavily for growth. A high ratio, they're sharing the wealth with investors. Both can be good depending on your investment goals. Why are we so hyped about dividends? Because they're awesome. Dividends offer a steady stream of income, like a paycheck from your investments. No more waiting for your stocks to go up. Plus, dividends have the potential to grow over time. Imagine your dividends doubling or even tripling in a few years. That's like getting a raise without lifting a finger. And the best part? Dividends can help cushion your portfolio during market downturns. When the market throws a tantrum, dividends are there to soften the blow. Section 5. Dividends, your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine a life where your investments generate enough income to cover your expenses. That's the power of dividend investing. It's about building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Dividends can help you supplement your income, fund your retirement, and achieve your financial goals. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making your money work for you slowly and steadily. Remember the tortoise and the hare? Slow and steady wins the race. Section 6. Picking dividend stocks. Don't be a fool. Now, before you go diving headfirst into the dividend pool, let's talk strategy. Choosing the right dividend stocks is crucial. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, consistent earnings growth, and a manageable debt level. Don't be fooled by high yields alone. Do your research, analyze the company's financials, and make sure it's a solid investment. Section 7, the Dividend Playbook, Strategies for Success. Now that you know how to pick winners, let's talk strategy. First, there's focus on companies with a history of increasing dividends. It's like getting a raise every year. Then we have, these are companies that have increased their dividends for 25 consecutive years or more. Talk about consistency, and finally, the creme de la creme. These companies have increased their dividends for 50 consecutive years or more. They're the royalty of the dividend world. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries. Section 8. The future is bright. Embrace the dividend revolution. Dividend investing is like a marathon, not a sprint. It's about patience, consistency, and making smart investment decisions. Remember to reinvest your dividends to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Stay informed about the companies you invest in, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice. So, there you have it, folks. Dividend investing, your path to wealth. Start your journey today and watch your money grow. Booyah!